out there magnetfishing. Team Kratos, baby.
All right, I am over in the wooded area. This is going to take some precision magnet throws to get to where I need to go. I don't know if you can see that, but it's covered in roots down there. I got a great big old, looks like maple, or no, it's an oak tree there, and got two more right here, then a bunch of branches hanging down. I'm going to try to get out there and see what I can find. I'll be back shortly. All right. Look at the ton of scrap I just pulled up. And boy, does it stink. But there's a lot of scrap, and I'm going to go through it real quick to see what I got, and maybe a button or something, hopefully. And yeah, we love this small stuff. Get back to you in a little bit. Okay, Stuart, I got part of a poon. The business end of it anyway. Calling it a day. Shannon's already packed up and I'm getting ready to, so good day, good night, good morning. We humbly ask you to like and subscribe and comment. We're at over 1,600 now, so thank you all very much for tuning in and watching and subbing. If you want a magnet, links in the description. Kratos Magnetics, best in the world. Y'all take care. Okay, I know you can't see it probably, I don't know, but there's a little caramel colored duck and two white ducks.
They'll follow us everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go, they come with us. That little caramel or chocolate covered duck, man, he was scooting just a few seconds ago. Oh, he's a tail wagger.
They don't even care that we fishing, they didn't move.
Oh, Miss Duck Butt. Duck Butt was in the air. There it is, Duck Butt. Look how beautiful they are. Sorry about the motorcycle noise. My God, the noise out here today has been terrible. We've had gunshots, we've had sirens, we've had trains galore. What?
Church bells.
Church bells.
Traffic.
Traffic. I mean, you hear it all out here today. And normally this is one of the most peaceful spots on the river. Duck Butt. I'm hoping you can actually see these guys. They are so pretty. And that's why we do the magnet fishing.
I got a shaky view of them.
Anyway, I'll get back to you here in a little while. Okay, well, on this cast, I'm unsure of what that is. It's got leather attached to it, and it goes down to like a ring, and it branches off. It may be a bridle or something for a horse. We found out that there was a Civil War skirmish in this area by the river. I'm not saying it's from that, but I'm saying it could be. If anybody knows what this might be, let us know.
This is my first cast over here today. It's quite a bit of stuff. This thing interests me. It's kind of a square now, but it's got that sideways head on it. It's kind of neat. Might keep that. Everything else is just ready for the hardware store to open. Alright guys, I just picked up my magnet. Well, pulled my magnet in, and again, it's full of hardware stuff. And this fell out. This being a little faucet turny thingy thing. And it's not magnetic at all. It will not stay on there. But it fell out from all this crap. So it was holding it in there. I'm glad it came in. It's cute. But yeah, the rest is just hardware. This spot I'm throwing at, you can see down here, I've got all that to make it out into the water, and I'm only getting like 10 or so feet out because of it, so I'm not getting the good because it's way out there. But I'm still getting this kind of cast every single time that I throw out, so we're getting the garbage out of it, you know, the scrap and stuff. So, anyway, found a button and a square nail on this one, and there's no volume. I have no idea why. It's my wireless mic, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This little thing on the back, it is water button. Got an old nail. But yeah, that's a button right there. It's got a little design on it. I ended up crawling down here. From up there. I crawled down to that space below me to get closer to the water, and I think this is some sort of gate latch. That's what it looks like to me. Pretty neat. George said he's bruising his biscuits. George just handed me this. It's something. Don't know what that something might be. That's definitely something. Oh, I think there's a little hole right there. Yeah, there is. It's got one big hole, two little hole, one little hole. Bug in my mouth, sorry. I don't know what it was, but that is. Alright, that cast got something weird. Well, a bunch of crunching much. And then this thing. Strange looking. It's got teeth up here, so it looks like it was part of something more.
Would it be a curry comb or a horse?
No, not by the way the bottom is, I don't know. I mean, it could have been. This could have been down in something plastic and be a curry comb, but I don't.
No, I'm talking about a metal one.
I don't know. I just can't tell. If anybody thinks they know, if you can let me know. Okay, I hope you can see that. It says Sanford eyes or something like that. That's as much as we got it cleaned up. We found a bunch of these before. I just can't remember what it says exactly, but
It says
Sanfordized or something. So we got a rock tumbler. We're going to try to put all our buttons in that and see if we can get them cleaned up. And if we do get them cleaned up and they don't disintegrate, then we're going to have a big show and tell. Real nice one. Well, on that one I got a hook. A big old fat hook. I don't know if that had anything to do with that gate thing or if this is something that comes from the ceiling. No clue. And then guess what? Crunchy Munch. Nails for the hardware store. And cleaning that off. I just got another button. It's going to take much cleaning to see what that is. But you got to watch real close and all this stuff because I can't tell you how many buttons we've come across. This is maybe like a, I can't think of what they're called. Oh, punch. I don't know. Anyway, come off your bib overalls maybe. Anyway, because of the back of it. I know what I'm thinking, but I can't get the word out. But yeah, there's another button. I don't know what these are, but we've got them before. It's almost like a cleat or something to wrap your boat up for. I don't know, but definitely haven't gotten them before. And then some more crunchy munchy. George found this. It looks like a button. It's all silver under there. You turn it over, it's got the little hole in it, so it might have been... That's the word I was looking for earlier. Rivet, that I was searching for way back there. This might like go...
Yeah, it's not a washer though.
Yeah.
That hole doesn't go all the way through.
Yeah, that's not all the way through. That's silver right there. It's just got a hole back here. Very neat. And give me your little spoon so I can show Stuart.
Oh.
Uh-oh, did you throw him away?
Yeah. You got her, I think.
And this, Stuart, is for you. It's a half, not a half, it's a piece of poon.
Well, as we come to the close of another day, I just want to say thank you for watching and subbing and liking us. We really appreciate it. Don't forget, every Saturday at 12:30 p.m. we go live on YouTube and we have a special guest every week. So always tune in, hit that notification bell. We'll talk at you later. Real deal out.